You've tuned into The Mountain Gardener with your host, Ken Lain. Gardening, it can be challenging, but with these simple insider tips, you'll reap huge rewards. Now, let's tune into today's Mountain Gardener with Ken and Lisa. So I keep having friends going, Ken, so tell me, the insider scoop, is it really that hard to find employees, staff members, people who work at the garden center? And I went, no, not for us. We've got too many. It's the quality is coming in as fantastic, but we put together a place that's great to work at. It's family oriented. We team oriented. We support each other. It's a family. We like coming to work together, and we're basically we have a certain kind of person we're very selective on who we let into the team. And so if you just want to be hired, that's probably not going to get you in. If you want to talk to someone, get a friend, or there's references, if you're just breathing, that's not what we want. And we purposely have posts, social media things to keep some people out. And so we just had it's not that offensive. It's kind of funny. We had a TikTok video that just went viral. Actually is on Facebook, Instagram, but TikTok really went crazy with it. Well over 2 million views. It's crazy. It quadrupled our following just like that in one post. So we're basically Facebook people. That's gardeners or Facebookers. Instagram, that active younger, about 10 years younger than TikTok's. They're even younger yet, but they love their videos. And so this one, we're making an all call for turn in your application, but we only want certain kinds of people. So we're mocking the kind of person we don't want to show up. And it's a gardener watering their gardens. They're taking a hose with a fan spray. They're filling up a watering can and let the watering can water the plants. It's totally hilarious. That doesn't even make sense. What's going on? And the caption is, what kind of staff member are you? If you're this, don't apply. We actually ask more people not to apply than to apply, because we only want certain kinds of people. We want people that are hungry, humble, and smart. That's kind of our filter. You're hungry, not that you're hungry, but you just want to show up. You want to be there. You want to be part of a team. You want something. You don't wake up and go, oh, don't know if I want to go in today. That's not hungry. Hungry is, it's my day to work. This is going to be great. Humble is you can take some instruction. Some people, you instruct them, they get offended. Go, yeah, but you did it. You backed the truck in wrong, or that's not how you unload. That's not how you help a customer. That's not how. And you can't take instruction. You're too, I don't know what that is, but there's just some of that. You never last very long if you can't. Even I like to learn new things. I'm okay with learning. I'm okay with instruction. Look me in the eye and say, hey, boss, there might be a better way. I'm going, do share. So some folks take that. We're looking for folks that are hungry, humble, and smart. Not IQ smart, people smart. Some folks just, they read the room. They know we're surrounded by customers. If you don't like people, don't apply. Please, for the love of gardening, don't apply if you don't like people. We are a people business. We just help plants and people connect each other. And so there's some folks that are really smart. They know how the dynamics of a room. So they're people smart. So we're looking for those kinds of folks. And so the posts that we put out there on social media, some of them are a hoot, whether it's part-time, full-time, retired, younger, first job, doesn't matter. We want folks that are hungry. They like to show up, humble. They don't mind instructions or joining in, giving their opinion. But if the team goes in a different direction, they're okay with that. They go, that makes sense. Let's do it. And then smart, people smart. So to over 2 million views on TikTok. That's gigantic. Usually you'll have a few hundred. To have millions is nuts. And so it's just because we're mocking ourselves sometimes, going, this will be a fun post. Let's see what happens. Anyway, throughout the week, Lisa and I camp out here at Waters Garden Center. We love talking to fans of the show. And if you've thought about working at a garden center, please do. We love people that are hungry, humble, and smart here at Waters Garden Center.
Cocktail trees turn any backyard into a veritable farmer's market.
At Waters, we've grafted onto one tree different types of cherries, apples, and pears for easy backyard fruit picking.
These small fruit trees grow in containers just off the patio in smaller yards. Anyone can grow a fruit cocktail tree.
You'll find braided cocktail trees with multiple fruits beautifully braided into one tree.
Fruit cocktail trees are ready to plant at Waters Garden Center in Prescott and watersgardencenter.com.
For a more fruitful garden, increase success in the landscape that just feels better, then tune in daily to the Mountain Gardener podcast. Subscribe through your favorite podcast streamer or visit watersgardencenter.com. Better yet, visit me directly right here at Waters Garden Center. Thanks for tuning in.